Homeowners near Mound, Minnesota. Tree removal and tree trimming are not a DIY project when your home and safety are on the line. Tree problems can come up unexpectedly. Delaying them can cause bigger problems. Statement Tree Care offers fair pricing and payment plans for those bigger projects, so homeowners can take care of necessary tree work without putting safety at risk. Our goal is to make professional tree care accessible, stress-free, and focus on long-term protection of your property. Click Learn More for a free tree evaluation and to protect your property today.